Amazing uses for diaper rash cream with source. Uses: rough winter skin, hair dye stains, heat rash, sunscreen, minor scrapes, bug bites, zapper, chapped lips, minor burns, eczema, deodorant, razor burn, under eye concealer. Earth Mama Baby Organic Diaper Balm Review. Description: Organics. Baby. Soothing comfort for baby's bum. USDA Organic. Non-GMO Project Verified. No petroleum, parabens, or artificial fragrance. Grounded in nature, powered by love. Dermatologist tested and clinically tested for irritation. Zinc and Lanolin-Free and safe for cloth diapers. Mama's Promise. Trusted herbal products that work naturally. Pinky Swear. Chubby and dimpled? Yes. Red and irritated? No. Being a brand new human is tough, so diaper cream should be as gentle as it is effective. And while we're calling this organic diaper balm, it's so much more. Think extraordinarily soothing organic calendula diaper balm, so your baby's bum can stay the way it's meant to be, chubby, soft and cheerful cheeked. Suggested use: a quick how-to, just apply a thin coat to the diaper area after each change and bath. Also, organic diaper balm doubles as multitasking skin salve. Feel free to use it from top to bottom for everyone in the family. Slather as needed, seal it with a kiss and send them on their way. Not totally necessary but highly recommended. Other ingredients. What's in here? A jar of balm made with love and organic olive, olea europaea, oil, organic shea, butyrspermum parkii, butter, organic beeswax, seriflapa, organic jojoba, Simone chachinensis, oil, organic tea tree, Melaleuca alternifolia, leaf oil, organic lavender, lavandula angustifolia, flower oil, organic calendula officinalis, flower extract, organic Street John's wort, Hypericum perfidum, extract, organic chickweed, Stellaria media, extract, organic plantain, Plantago major, extract. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.